Did you know there's a single oil that's been used for over 4,000 years, hidden in Egyptian tombs, trusted in ancient Chinese and Indian medicine, yet in its raw form, it's actually a deadly poison. And somehow, today, it's one of the most powerful healing oils you can use on your body. In this video, I'm going to show you how to 10x the results of castor oil, not just on your face, but on your skin, scalp, immune system, and even internal organs. And trust me, you've probably been using it wrong all this time. Number 1, the right castor oil matters. Before we get into the real magic, you need to make sure you're using the right kind of castor oil. If your bottle isn't organic, cold-pressed, hexane-free, and stored in a dark glass bottle, you're probably putting toxic chemicals on your skin. What makes castor oil so special is a rare compound called ricinoleic acid, found in no other plant oil. It penetrates all 3 layers of your skin, deeply hydrates, and can even dissolve lumps under the surface. Number 2, biggest mistake people make. Now here's the biggest mistake. People try castor oil once and expect a miracle. But consistency is key. For real results, whether it's for wrinkles, skin tags, or hair growth, you need to apply it at least 3 times a week for 4 to 6 weeks. Rub it gently into your skin. Use a tiny amount on your eyelashes and eyebrows for thicker, longer growth. And yes, it even works on warts and skin tags when combined with iodine and garlic. Number 3, supercharge the effects. Want to supercharge the effects? Apply it with a castor oil pack over your liver to boost detox and bile flow. Use it on ovaries or breasts for cysts and fibrocystic issues, but always pair it with iodine-rich sea kelp to balance estrogen. Combine it with magnesium oil for sore muscles, joints, or deep relaxation. And here's a secret skin hack. Dip your face in an ice bath, then apply castor oil immediately after. The cold shock plus oil combo, skin glow like never before. Number 4, deeper healing and internal use. Now, if you're dealing with arthritis, liver congestion, or even chronic inflammation, apply castor oil to your feet before bed. It absorbs into your bloodstream and acts as a systemic anti-inflammatory. Use Jamaican black castor oil for hair regrowth, especially for dandruff, dry scalp, or thinning hair. Have scars or stretch marks? Massage castor oil regularly and watch them fade. Want glowing skin from the inside out? Try a 48 or 72-hour fast while using castor oil. Your body will clear out old cells and start creating new, healthy ones. But listen closely. If you're pregnant, do not ingest castor oil unless you're ready for labor. It can induce contractions. If this blew your mind, just wait till you see what I shared in part 1 of this castor oil series. Click right here to watch that video now. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're serious about natural health and beauty. This is your body's secret weapon.